If you want to know how to use Blackboard, then this video is for you. Hi, this is Mohammad Rifat Mahmud and I'm from Bangladesh. And today I'm gonna show you how you can use Blackboard to submit your assignments. So let's get started.
If you are watching this, you should already have an FVTC email. So use that email to log in. Choose any web browser you want and then search blackboard.fvtc.edu. So it will take you to this page. If you don't want to type the entire URL, you can just search FVTC Blackboard. You can just search some keywords, FVTC Blackboard or Blackboard FVTC. It will show you these pages. You just have to go there. On this page, you will see some updates regarding Blackboard. As you can see, there is some information about login help. Now let's log in. Click on student login. You can see here is my account. In your case, it will show like this. You have to provide your account here, and then it will ask my password. So provide your password here, and then click on sign in. You will receive a verification code on your Outlook app. So the app will be in your phone. So you can just provide that 2-digit number. If you don't have your phone with you, you can use the code generator provided by the college. In that case, you have to click on here. I can't use my Outlook mobile app right now. Now we are successfully logged into Blackboard, and this is the first page you will see. And if you scroll down, you will find some important links like help and resources, my FVTC email, virtual desktop, etc. These are some quick links, and here are some FAQs if you need. And then there is your profile section. You can update your profile. And then the activity section, this is just it shows your recent activity on Blackboard, what you have been doing lately. That's it. And then the most important part is courses. So this is where you will see all your courses. And one thing to note is that FVTC recently launched Blackboard Ultra, but not all teachers are using it yet. So I'll just show you how to submit assignments on both. So let's start with the old one first. Let's select any course. So if you click on any course, the first page you're going to see is announcement page. So your instructor is going to post all the announcement here. So always be careful about, the announcement. And next, if you click on start here and syllabus, you will find all the course details like your instructor's name, office hours, office location, syllabus, and grading criteria, and so many more. So let's click on course syllabus. See, it will show you pretty much everything. So please read this document very carefully. But yeah, one thing to keep in mind that every instructor organizes their course page differently. So your layout might look a little different, but don't worry, submission process is same. Now let's find and submit an assignment. So to locate your assignment, go to the specific week. For example, if you need to submit your week 1, you have to click on week 1. So I'm just gonna show you a real assignment. So I'm gonna click on week 7. So it might look a bit confusing because your instructor may have posted all the materials for that week in one place, but somewhere on this page you will find the assignment. So once you find it, just click on it. It will not always show you as assignments. Your instructor might write it differently. Here you can see he wrote week 7 assignment, and in this case he wrote week 7 interview project, but this is also an assignment. So let's just click on week 7 assignment. So you will see some assignments information here. So if I click on here, it will show my assignment instructions. It will show you the due date. You can see the due date here and point possible. And here is the submission part. So you can see 3 options here. One is create submission, another one is upload files, and the other one is add comments. Let's see the first one. So this is like a Microsoft Word. If you click on here, see, you will have lots of options here to write something. If you want to submit an attachment, just click on this plus sign. Insert local files, just choose any file you want, and then if you submit, click on the submit button, it will be submitted. But if you were just submitting a file, the best way to submit your assignment would be this upload file section. So let's click on browse local files. Here is week 7 assignment. Click on open. Now I just have to submit it. Click on submit. Boom, you are done. And now let me submit another assignment using this create submission page. So let me paste here the assignment I did. Here it is. And then I just have to click on submit. Now let's just take a quick look of how Blackboard Ultra looks. Okay, so the interface looks different, but it's actually easier to navigate. You will see all the tabs here. So if you click on week 2, you will see there is a section named assignments. Just click on here. You can see I have 3 assignments here. So once you find out the assignments, you just click on it, and you have to click on this view instructions. You won't see 3 options here. There is only 1 option. If you are writing something, just write it here and format it and submit. And if you want to submit any file, just click on here, just choose any assignments, and then you just have to click save. And then you can see here the submit late, because I already submitted the assignment. That's why it's showing submit late. So in your case, you will see a submit button. You just have to click on it, and that's it. I hope these guides helps. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or just reach out to me via LinkedIn or email. I'll be very glad to help you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I wish best of luck for your assignments and for your career. So have a wonderful life ahead.